In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Skype using their email. This process is quick, efficient, and will take you no more than 5 minutes. First things first, let's head over to the Skype website. Once there, you'll notice an option that invites you to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If Skype prompts you to sign in, please do so using your existing account. This step is crucial because you need access to your account to find and add new contacts. Now that you're signed in and your Skype dashboard is open, let's find that search bar. It's usually located at the top of the interface. This tool is your gateway to finding new contacts on Skype, so let's go ahead and make good use of it. Once you've located the search bar, it's time to type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure you enter it correctly to find the right contact. Email addresses can be tricky with their dots and symbols, so a double check wouldn't hurt. After you hit enter or complete the search, Skype will display profiles that match your search query. You're looking for a specific one, so browse through the results until you find the correct profile. When you see the profile that matches the person you're trying to add, click on their profile to open it. This step gets you one step closer to connecting with your contact. Next, to get a closer look and more information about the profile, click on their profile photo. This action usually provides a larger view and might display some additional details about the contact. It's a handy way to make sure, once again, that you've got the right person. Finally, to add them to your contacts, look for the Add Contact option. This button is your last step, and clicking it sends a contact request to the person's Skype account. Once they accept your request, you'll be connected on Skype and ready to chat, call, or video call anytime. And just like that, you've successfully added a new contact on Skype using their email address. Remember, adding someone by email ensures you're connecting with a specific person you're looking to communicate with, especially when common names might present too many options. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now more comfortable navigating Skype's contact addition process. Stay connected and see you in the next tutorial.